is of a bursting bomb. The hat cords are crimson. The 1858 forage cap is described in the regulations of 1861. Quote, forage caps for fatigue purposes. Forage caps of pattern in the Quartermaster General's office, dark blue cloth with a welt of the same around the crown and yellow metal letters in front to designate companies. Unquote. The 1858 forage cap is the type most commonly worn by Federals during the war. This type of cap is also known as a kepi, which followed the French influence. The forage cap is commonly referred to today as a bummer's cap. The caps have two types of brims. Early examples had a flat brim. Those after 1863 have a curved brim. An examination of Miller's photographic history of the Civil War reveals that the forage cap was worn by a ratio of 100 or more to 1 over other headgear. Forage caps also came with a cap cover to afford some protection from rain, as can be seen here. This is an 1858 forage cap. Note how the crown of the cap sets flush with the sides. Note also the flat visor on this early model. Note the chin strap and side buttons. The contractor who made this hat was L.J.&I. Phillips, who had 3 contracts in 1862 for a total of 175,000 indigo-dyed blue wool forage caps. The price ranged from 54 cents to 55 cents per cap. 50,000 of the caps went to Philadelphia and 125,000 to New York. One of the New York contracts included an order for 75,000 cap covers. This is an 1858 forage cap label manufactured by M&G of New York. This label is also from an 1858 forage cap, made by J.H. Wilson. This label is from an 1858 forage cap manufactured by a contractor named George Hoff and Company, Philadelphia, and is stamped December 29, 1864. This size, number 5, is the equivalent of 7 1/4. Hoff and Company's contract called for 200,000 forage caps at 85 cents each. Colonel H. Biggs of Philadelphia was the government agent. The bond amount was $85,000, and the delivery date specified was April 8, 1865. The 1860